Hi, I'm Brent Hamoud, Director of Product Development for Lippert Technologies, and today I'm here to help you get set up and started with your new Cherokee Total Control app. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your app store, whether it's Apple or Android, and download the LCI OneControl app. The next step will be to log into the mobile app, and to do that you can use your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID to sign in. After you've logged in, the next step will be to connect to your specific RV. There are three ways to do that. First, you can scan a QR code that you'll see inside the unit. Some units will be equipped with a push-to-pair feature, so on your monitor panel there'll be a button you can push and pair this with your phone. Or you can search for devices if you're having trouble finding the sticker or the push-to-pair button. Once the RV is connected, you'll just press continue, and it'll ask you to enter your RV details. So you'll choose your year, make, model, and floor plan. Most of the time, the app will actually identify what your unit is and input those for you. Then you'll hit continue, and you'll be asked to set up a PIN. The PIN is just designed to keep the unit safe as you tow. Nobody can get into the app and move slides or awnings or anything like that. So we'll use 1234. And at that point, we've set up our Cherokee Total Control app. This is the home screen for Cherokee Total Control. On the home screen, you'll see your battery voltmeter. You'll see a place to open up messages, which we'll talk about in a little bit. You'll see all the things connected to the unit. So here you can turn all of your lights on or off. You can run your awning in or out, or on this unit, you can run your slide in and out. From the home screen, you can click Devices to get to those individual pieces and make them larger on your mobile app. From time to time, you may receive messages in your mobile app, which will appear here. Those things will be annual maintenance reminders, tips about winterization for your unit, and lots of other information from your manufacturer. I'm going to show you some of the operations of your Cherokee Total Control app. So one of the first things that you can do is click Awning, and you'll be able to move your awning in or out. Also can turn on and off individual lights, or at the top you'll see an all lights on or all lights off. So if you're closing up your campsite and you want to make sure you turn all the lights off, you can hit that button and all the lights will turn off that are connected in the unit. Finally, down at the bottom here, we've got your slide. You'll be able to run that slide in or out with the mobile app, which is really nice as you set up. If you happen to be close to trees or any obstructions, you can actually stand right next to the slide and run that in or out as you're setting up. Now we're going to walk you through the setup for your Insight camera. First, you're going to go to Settings, Add an Accessory. Once you get to this screen, you're going to hit Connect Manually. And then you're going to be asked to enter the ID of your camera. Your camera ID sticker can be found in one of two places: on the camera on the back of your unit, or on the monitor panel next to the buttons for your slide outs, awnings, and lights. After you've entered the ID, go ahead and hit Connect. You're not required to enter a password at this time, as you'll choose a password for your camera later. Once you've gotten to this screen, you'll hit Continue, go back to your home page, and you'll see your camera ready to use. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find a place to control the sound for your camera. Also in the upper right-hand corner is the Settings button, where you can change the password for your camera. Hopefully this video has helped you get started, and thanks for watching.